Hi, thanks for stopping by for a few minutes with Mary Beth behind the scenes at StencilGirl Studios. January is the time that John and I sneak away. We try to go somewhere warm. That's my thing. I need to see the sun, and I really like the ocean, of course. And we've really fallen in love with a part of Puerto Rico called Rincon. It was not hurt in the recent earthquake, so we're down here in a house that we've rented before. And I just got back from yoga on the beach. It just was so idyllic. And I'm not here to brag or anything like that, but I'm just here to talk today about, in my opinion, the importance of restoration. Because I bet all of you guys are like I am, and you work too hard, you burn it at both ends. And sometimes we just need to remind ourselves to take time for restoration. So I did a little recording of the water, and I'm going to put this on, and you'll have 20 seconds to listen to the waves and watch the waves and just breathe for a little bit. And I hope your year is off to a beautiful start. I wish everyone the best.